Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very simple avocado sandwich. And for this, we are only going to be needing 3 ingredients. So you're going to need 4 slices of wholemeal bread. You can buy sandwich, but this is your normal bread. Obviously an avocado and some salt to taste. So begin by cutting your avocado at the center. So run your knife through the center and then bring it around like that in a straight line, making sure we cut our avocado perfectly, like so. And then we are going to take one apart like that. You can see it's a very healthy big avocado. So we're just going to be using one for now. So I'm going to be showing you 2 ways how you can make a sandwich using your avocado. So one way is by just by taking your avocado and slicing it with a spoon and laying the avocado on your bread, like so. Make sure you slice in thin slices. Okay, we can add one more, like that. Then once you're done with that, we are going to salt it just a little bit, and then there's your sandwich, your first sandwich. The second sandwich that I'm going to show you is by removing the avocado covering, like that. So just turn it on the back, and you're going to use your knife to pick that skin. Then you're going to pull it back, like so, and we're going to repeat the same with this other side, making sure that you have a clean top. Okay, like so. Then once you've done that, the next step is to slice our avocado, which we're going to be doing next. All right, so for this part, you're going to place the tips of your fingers bent like that. Then you're going to come in with your knife and slice it in small slices, like so. And since we don't need so much, then I think that's enough. Then once you're done with that, then now we're going to transfer that to our bread. So get your 2 slices, and on one side we are going to transfer several pieces, like so. So just layer them like that. Okay, then maybe we are going to add 2 more slices on the side. Like that. So bear in mind that this is a very simple recipe for making an avocado sandwich, but you can add more toppings as you like, spices, tomatoes, and parsley, and all that you want. But today I'm just focusing on a simple one. So the next step, just sprinkle some salt, and there you go. You have your sandwich ready. Then what you can do now is slice it half, the halfway line, like that, and you have your delicious sandwich. And also the first one that we did, we are also going to slice it in the same way. And guys, that's how you make your sandwich. And before we go, I'm going also to show you the best serving options that you can do, and also I'm going to let you know the many benefits that eating an avocado can bring to your health. You can serve your sandwich next to scrambled eggs and your favorite cup of tea. Some of the health benefits that avocado comes with is it helps lower your blood sugar. It helps when you're losing weight or when you want to lose weight. It's great during pregnancy as it's very important for the fetal growth. Helps improve your vision. It also promotes a healthy skin, whether eaten or whether smeared as a covering on the face. And finally, it also helps in improving digestion. Thank you so much for watching. If you want a further explanation on the health benefits of avocado, make sure you watch my next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit that red bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.